Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics N6. The topic of this tutorial is centers of pressure. Let's get straight into it. Normally when you talk about a center of pressure, you are talking about pressure of water on a sluice gate or whatever you have. So it'll say a dam, so your question will say a dam has a sluice gate, and what is the center of pressure on that sluice gate? Now, it can be one of three shapes. It can be a rectangle, it can be a parabola, or it can be a trapezium. Now, your most common one that you will find in most tests and things like that, the most common one you'll ever find is a trapezium, which is basically a whole lot of straight lines in a straight line graph. So, how you will draw this is you will read the question and then draw your sluice gate. So, here, at the top here, is my water line. Okay, so this question says a vertical sluice gate is 5 meters high, 6 meters wide at the top and 4 meters wide at the bottom. The top of the sluice gate is 1 meter below the water surface. Calculate the depth of the center of pressure on the sluice gate. So, what we need to do is we take this out and we take that out. Right, we take those two out, and we put a line back. Right, so this is the x-axis, and that is the y-axis. So, it is 6 meters wide, so that means it's 3 on either side. And then 4 meters wide, so it's 2 meters on either side. And there you have your sluice gate. And it's 1 meter below the water surface. So for this particular thing, your 2 points will be 3 and minus 1. And my point here will be 2 and minus 6. Even though it's 5 meters, even though it says it is 5 meters high, it is still 6 meters. It is still, so from to here is 6 meters, minus 6. It's still minus 6 down below the water. So you count from your x-axis all the way down to the bottom. Right. This is minus 1. Here is minus 5, and so on. And here is minus 6. Okay. So, as we know, it is 1 meter below the water surface. There's a line here and a line there. Well, a line going from there to there. Now we have the coordinates of the line. So, what we can do is, because we have the coordinates of the line, we can work out its formula. So, let's work out its formula. It is y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 bracket x1 minus x. No, x minus x1. Sorry, I got that wrong. X minus x1. Okay. So, what we have now, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is y1 is minus 1, so minus y plus 1, minus 1, so it's y plus 1 equals, now y2 minus 6 minus or plus 1 all over x2, which is 2 minus 3. And this is x minus 3. This is our formula. Right, so what we're going to do is now we're going to work out, so that's minus 5 over minus 1. So that's 5 over 1. So it's 5. That's 5. So y plus 1 equals x minus 3. So that's 5 times x minus 3 and y plus 1. Now, multiply x through. 5x minus 15, y plus 1. Okay, so minus 15 jumps over, becomes plus 15. Well, we can always say minus 1 is minus 5x minus 16. And that is our equation. That is our equation only. We've just worked out our equation. So, right. Now we need to make x the subject of the formula. We're going to make x the subject of the formula because y equals. So, y plus 16 equals 5x. So then divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So we're left with y over 5 plus 16 over 5. Right. So we need x. Because for this particular case, we need x is equal to y over 5 plus 16 over 5. Okay. So the next thing we need AMOX. Now we need y is equal to dA. So what we need to do now is take this away. Let's take this away, and we are left with, the integral of minus 1 minus 6. Right. Now we are left with y times y over 5 plus 16 over 5. Now we've just got to multiply y through. And we can take a 5 out. So what we're going to do now, y times y is y squared, 16y. Okay, now what we're going to do is integrate. So we have 2 over 5. We have actually 3 over 5. So the integral of minus 1 minus 6, 3 over 5 y cubed plus 16 over 5, that is 16 squared, 32 over 5 y squared. Okay, and we'll just take this away. So now we just add in 5 minus 6 cubed, 32 over 5 minus 6 squared. And all this boils down to a simple number of AMOX is equal to of minus 83,333 recurring. Meters cubed. Right, so that's that is y dA. Now we just need to do y squared dA. So y squared dA. So how to do that is quite simple. All we've got to do is go to the top and say that y is squared. Y squared. Yeah. Just multiply that by y squared. So, y squared, and we multiply by 2. This is a little bit different than other things we've done in the past. We're going to multiply by 2 and y squared. So, let's multiply by 2 first. At the integral of -1 and -6. Y squared, 2 over 5, y squared, plus 16 times 2, 32. 32 over 5, y. Now we multiply by y squared. Y squared and y squared is 4 and y cubed. Now we just need to integrate. So, 2,5 multiplied by y to the 5th over 5 plus 32 over 5 multiplied by y cubed over 3. Minus 1, minus 6. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. All I did was multiply the two things in, and then I integrated. Okay, from integration, 5 times 5 is 25, so 2 over 25. 2 over 25, y to y5, plus 32 over 15. 32 over 15, y cubed. Minus 1, minus 6. Okay. Yeah, and then all we do, 2 over 25 minus 1 to the 5th plus 32 over 15 minus 1 cube minus 2 over 25 minus 6 to the 5th plus 32 over 5 minus 6 to the 3. And this all gives us our final answer of 329,167. Okay, meters to the 4th power. Okay, now what we need to do is divide one by the other. divide one by the other. Now we divide one by the other. And then we get our final answer. We get our final answer. Now, it's y squared, the integral of y squared over the integral of y, which equals minus, which equals positive 329,167 divided by 83,333. Minus, sorry. Now, center of pressure, because it's minus, because our center of pressure will be a minus number, it means that is below the water surface where the center of pressure will be, and always is the case with the center of pressure, is that the center of pressure will always be below the water surface. So it's a negative. So this will be minus 3,950 meters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comment section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day, looking forward to seeing you in the next video.